Hello everyone, this is your favorite chef, Miss Elfie. Yes, and so today I am on a private chef duties. My client and I agreed on a few selections, and so come with me and let's go cook for my client. Yes. We are almost there. Yeah, so my client asked to do her own grocery shopping, which is always allowed because you, the client, is able to choose the brands that you're used to or the items that you are familiar with. And on her menu today, she has oven baked burgers, fried rice, shrimp cakes, green beans, bacon, and we got diced sweet potatoes. So I'm starting with my burgers, yes, which I'm going to bake in the oven as I mentioned. Yep. Laying them nicely on my tray. The next item I have is the bacon. Yes. My next item was the sweet potatoes. Got it peeled, diced up, neatly washed, and time for the seasoning. Started with my oil, then the paprika, cinnamon, salt to taste, and a little bit of brown sugar. All got mixed in and it was ready for the oven. And I'm going to be baking this on 360 as well. Yes. Beautiful. Yep, bacon was ready, so I got it all panned up and jumped on my next item, which was the fried rice. My broth was boiling, so I added in the rice. Yes. And look at that, it's all looking good already. Yeah, my next item was the stir-fried veggies, so I started julienne all my peppers and my onions as well. In the meantime, my rice was ready, so I had to fry my onions and the eggs so I can get it ready for the fried rice. Yeah. So I added in my peas and carrots, and then it was all ready for the rice. After that, I gave it a good stir, added in my green onions, and it was already done. Beautiful. Next item was my stir-fried veggies. Yes, so onions and all my different color bell peppers. Yes. All I added was my salt, some garlic, and some powdered herb seasonings. Yes. And yeah, there's my green beans ongoing on the side, and the veggies are ready to be panned. And then my last item was the shrimp cake. So I'm using the processor to grind the shrimp neatly. I need it to be in a pasty form. Yes. After grinding my shrimps, I added my parsley to it. Then my diced onions. So I added some eggs, salt, and some breadcrumbs to it. Yes. After that, I gave it a good stir folded each one into neatly balls. At this point, my client came around and wanted to make sure I was on track with our menu.
I said in a second I'm gonna make myself a bacon burger. Is that the shrimp?
Yeah, that's the shrimp cake.
That right there?
Yeah.
Okay. So you got rice, hamburgers, bacon,
And then sweet potatoes.
sweet potato casserole. Wow.
No, just regular sweet potatoes.
That,
No, this is the rice.
this is sweet potato?
No, that's the peppers. She wanted onions and peppers.
What's in here?
It's just the rice and vegetables, carrots and
What's the
peas.
sweet potatoes?
It's in the oven.
Okay. I like sweet potatoes.
You like, okay, you love this one. Oh yes, so now it's time to fry our shrimp cakes. Yes, beautiful. And I finished it off in the oven so it can take its time to cook from the inside. Yeah. And yes, our shrimp cakes are ready. Yep, all done. Beautiful. So here are our finished products. Our bacon, burgers, fried rice, veggie stir fry, diced potatoes, green beans, and again, our shrimp cakes. Beautiful. This is something that she's going to have for a whole week till we start all over again the next week. So yeah, reach out to Miss Elfie and I'll come to the comfort of your home to cook anything that you would love to have. Miss Elfie Catering Services, good food, good mood. See you soon. Bye.